Welcome to this changelog video roundup, the first of the year, hosted by me, the Descript Changelog. After a long winter in hibernation, I'm feeling rested and bursting with energy. Let's get started. Number 1. We've updated our brand colors, boring, but more importantly made the whole interface easier to read. We use the refresh to audit contrast across the app, and the new palette improves accessibility across the board. Like my voice, it may take some getting used to. Number 2. It's one of the most requested features of all time. The new media library is here, and it gives you a permanent home where your whole team can store and find frequently used files. Add a file once, organize it in folders, then reuse it across projects without re-uploading, or using media minutes. Number 3. Switching layouts is now a lot more predictable. When you apply a layout, Descript prioritizes the content you've already placed. Your media and text stay where you put them, instead of getting shuffled around. If a layer does get removed during a switch, you'll see a notification and a one-click restore option. Number 4. We've upgraded our mobile experience. Open a Descript project in a mobile browser to review, playback, and publish your work as a shareable link. Everything syncs automatically with desktop, so you can hand off between devices mid-project. Number 5. We're continuing to expand the model selection options for Underlord, image generation, and more. We've added Claude Sonnet 4.6, which excels at multi-step editing workflows, and Gemini 3.1 Pro, which is better at navigating audio and effects. We've also added Nano Banana 2 to our image generation models. This cutting-edge model improves image consistency and quality on all metrics. Number 6. Here's all the bugs we've been fixing. If you see a bug you encountered here, try not to make eye contact or it'll be awkward. And those are the most important updates from the first 2 months of the year, but there's way more. Just click the changelog link in the description. I've been the Descript Changelog, and I'll see you next time.